Welcome, ED 6317. My name is Dr. Jennifer Miller Ray, and I'm excited to serve as your course instructor this spring 2019. This is a very exciting course because in this course you will be designing a reading program for an organization. That might be a public school district, it could be a public library. So we'll be learning about how to design community literacy programs in this course, and hopefully you'll walk away with an actual program that you've developed that you might can implement this semester. So that's the big picture of the course. I wanted to create this welcome video to introduce you to our community, to share with you how to access your syllabus, the virtual office help features, and the modules, and go over some of your beginning assignments. So once you log into Blackboard, the first thing you'll see here is announcements here on the left-hand side. I regularly communicate with you via email through announcements. So each time you log in, you're going to want to check the announcements to see the latest. I am very active in the course, and I will kind of walk you through what's expected each week. So expect a video like this each week to kind of help you through the modules, or at least with each module. After you look at announcements, you're going to want to go to course information. Notice above course information there is a help feature here. I'm going to go ahead and select that. That is just a link for you to troubleshoot Blackboard on your own. Hopefully that will pull up here. It gives you some good information on how to kind of navigate the Blackboard system, so that's there for you as well. Under course information, you will see syllabus. What you'll want to do today is Monday, January 21st. I wanted to have the course open on Friday. However, this is not my office. This is my husband's office, and he's in a different field because the education department, as of last week, last Thursday, we had to pack everything up, and we are getting a remodel. So I'm very excited to that. We're updating our education facility here at Sul Ross, but that required me to not have access to my office last week and part of this week. So apologize for this course being opened on Monday and not Friday. However, it doesn't even start until tomorrow. So as we will officially start tomorrow on Tuesday, January 22nd, and what you can do between now and the rest of the week is really kind of review the course syllabus. We have a few assignments that we're going to start this week, but hopefully you can review the welcome video and the course syllabus, which I'll go over here in just a second, and then order your required textbooks. Okay, so we have two textbooks that we will be using this semester. We have the Bean textbook, which you probably have already purchased in another reading specialist course if you have been in another one of our courses. This is one that we use a lot, so it's a good one to have on your shelf even as we move forward. And then the second one is the Administration and Supervision of Reading Programs. This is an excellent book that you're going to want to keep on your shelf because it really does a great job really discussing about the different types of planning and collaboration and all the steps involved to develop a reading program, and also to continuously monitor and improve the reading program. And then, of course, we're going to use our APA manual as well in this course. So the Sul Ross Bookstore should have these books. If you have an issue ordering them or accessing them, let me know. Also, I've asked the college library to also purchase these books, so you might check with them, and then they're both available on Amazon. And then the next thing I want to go over is the virtual office. So you're going to want to review the syllabus, look at the welcome video. Anytime you have help, the virtual office is there for you. This has my contact information, and my office hours are here, along with a short bio of me, and then how you direct questions is there, along with our contact information for the department. Okay. Our course is set up in modules. So each module has the due date there, along with kind of our learning outcomes as well. So you can kind of go through and kind of get a quick glance as to what we are doing when. We're going to start with Module 1. So on Module 1, really the way that the assignments work is it really walks you through each module, what you're supposed to turn in when. So your first assignment is your introduction. So you're going to post an introduction to meet your classmates, and then we will begin with the Strickland Wepner text, chapters 1 through 3, and Beans, chapter 1 and 2. And so you will actually create a reflection, and then in your reflection, I like for you to cite examples from your class and also the text using APA. It should be a thoughtful summary and your takeaways and how you would apply this information to the role of a reading specialist. And you will post that in the discussion board, and then you will peer review at least 2 peers' reflection to earn full credit. So that's how our discussions boards will work, and that's your first assignment. So I'm going to go back to the syllabus here and do just kind of a quick review of our syllabus. The syllabus lays everything out for you. I would really encourage you to download the Reading Specialist ED Grade 12 Standards. Here you're going to, this is just a great review, and you'll find it under, kind of in the middle of the page, Supplemental Certificate, Student Services, yeah, Certificate Standards. So I would ask for you to go ahead and download this and look at that, and you're going to want to keep a copy of that. And everything we do, we relate back to our standards here. So take time to look at that, because I love to see you really reflecting on how our readings connect to the standards that are mentioned in our Texas TEKS. So Standards and Competencies for Reading Specialists. So this goes over our textbook information again. And then all of the assignments are listed here along with the points. And then the assignments in detail are listed here as well, which will also be in your modules. And then the grading policy is there. Okay, so everything's listed on the syllabus. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at any time, or stop by the office or call. Once I get in my office, I'm hoping I'll be in tomorrow. If not, I'll be at the end of the week. Please let me know how I can support you. Once you've reviewed your syllabus and welcome video, go ahead and start with your course introductions and order your textbooks, and I look forward to collaborating with you this semester. Have a great day.